Hello, everybody. Welcome to Crypto Man, my dear friends. Hope you all having a great, fantastic day today. Before I start a video, a disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor. You need to go into your own research for investing into cryptocurrency. Basically, it is up to you. Do your own research and take a decision before investing, please. Okay, so now we will jump into the video. I am using Coin Market Cap. Basically, Coin Market Cap, everyone aware that Coin Market Cap is the world's most referenced price tracking website for crypto asset in the rapidly growing cryptocurrency space. So there are other tracking websites like CoinDesk, CoinGecko. I am using Coin Market Cap. So let me refresh the page. You can see BTC dominance is 61.6, which crossed 60%, and market cap of 1 trillion. You can, in this website, you can see the price, market cap, what are the top 10, 100 coins, everything you can see. Okay, let's move on to a odd topic of the day, a dent. Dent, today price, it is 0.001988, 10.45, it's running higher. Morning, it reached almost 65%. Now the current price 0.001958. Before I show the calculations on the profits, just move on to the overall chart. Okay, you can see during 2018 January, it reached 0.1, right? 0.104216. Now we are in 2021 and the current price is 0.001936. Now the expert predictions and few market research, there are chances if it reaches 0.1 like 2018 or 0.01. Assuming you are investing 10,000 coins today, which is equal to 20 USD, the exchange rate of USD to INR is 72.56, which is 1,442 rupees. Assuming tomorrow, or we're not sure that when it is going to be a peak, 0.02, okay? If it reaches 0.02 as an example, you will get 180 USD profit and 13,000 as a profit in INR currency. So forget about 10,000. Let's increase the numbers of the investment. Investing 100,000 coins today with the current price is 0.001988. So the total investment cost in USD is 199. The exchange, after exchange rate, it was 14,000, just a 14,000 you are investing. And if it reaches 0.0002, example, sorry, 0.02, your profit of 1,800 USD, which is 1,30,000, which is very big number, investing 14,000 and taking 1,45,000. If it reaches 0.1 like 2018, just see your profit, 7,11,175 rupees, which is equal to the USD of 9,801 USD. So just see the profit. Assuming if it reaches this and if it goes higher, like example 1 USD, just see your profit, guys. It's really fantastic. So this is how I do a calculation before investing in an Excel spreadsheet. So just I want to share you. I am not doing any promotional for Dent. Okay. Personally, I have invested and I'm getting benefited. So I wish everyone have to be rich and enjoy their life. Nothing intention to earn money of doing a promotion kind of thing. Okay, coming back to the coin market cap chart. Okay, let's move on to the tweet. Okay, by Elon Musk. You can see on Jan 29, Elon Musk tweeted, in retrospect, it was inevitable. Shortly after that, Bitcoin's icon on his front page under his name as posted. Then after he announced investing billions of dollars with the Tesla into Bitcoins. You guys know that Elon Musk don't tell directly. We need to retweeting his lines and figure out some of his tweets are actually what hinting at. But we will move on to the another tweet on Elon Musk. On Feb 4, Dogecoin is the people's crypto and no need to be a giga chat to own. You see the word giga. Yeah. You understand it, what it means? A line not exactly related to Dogecoin, right? So there is some int. Where is the correlated, interrelated? I mean, interrelated between these. Something it is giving an int. So I am more interested to see in-depth research noticed this word. A word giga referring to what? Moving on to the Dent promotion, you can see Dent promoting Gigastore. So something is giving an hint, right? So Dent Gigastore promoting, it is also hinting a partnership with Dent in relation with the Gigastore. And another hint, Elon Musk was tweeted on Feb 16, winter at Giga Texas. Even though Giga Texas, a factory at Giga Texas, something, some hint is happening with the same word, right? So people are excited actually what is all about. So this is all about my market research. And let's see about Dent Gigastore all about. Let's play a video. So this is coming in Q1 2021. Let's move on to the Dent Gigastore. Dent Gigastore for reseller and developer API portal test data. Okay, Dent enables anyone to become a Dent Gigabyte reseller. So imagine an example that after the COVID craziness is over, people can set up a shop and talk to tourists and sell them a gigabyte against a cash. Really, it is a good news. And all they need to do is to show the tourist a QR code and set the quota, and that's it. Then, okay, this is a new update, right, for everyone. Getting a cash against the gigabytes data. And next step is to extend this to evolve to the Dent Gigastore, which will allow several business models for reselling and distributing, including the payment methods, voucher codes, API access for all kinds of apps and portals and more. Okay, so this is all about what Dent Gigastore for resellers updates. Okay, basically, with the continuation of that, I want to show you another int and the new partnership which is happening on Starlink. Starlink, high speed, low latency broadband internet. Starlink suddenly offering their own web mobile data plan. As a backbone, it is actually a dent. You guys know? Starlink as the new partnership, a new product, guys, a new product. Let's see more about the data. Like, no one need to know actually, right? Like what Starlink is using at the back end as a backbone. Just imagine, like just an example of just imagine. Starlink decided they want to offer mobile broadband services, which is capable of using uh, worldwide. You don't need to change the SIM, right? You don't need to change a SIM card. You will get very fast data connection if it introduced being used worldwide. Okay, and only one thing everyone have to know: need to go and invest billions of dollars investing bitcoins or in coins, have their own app, create your own app in your own brand, and start using a dent at the back end. Example like a Starlink. Okay, this is the latest update on the Starlink, and you can see the tweet from the dent. New toys from SpaceX, Starlink, high-speed, low latency broadband internet. You can see all these updates. Now you guys will understand what is all about the new partnership which is happening here. Dent Wireless has partnered with Apple and Elon Musk, Starlink. All this make a Dent coin, which is going to be Bloom. Simple. Okay, let's move on to the Dent updates. Okay, you can see here eSIM, a new developer API portal. So let's say you are a developer of a game which needs mobile access, or an airline app, or hotel app, or any travel app. Then using the Dent API, you can integrate Dent eSIM offering rights from your app, right? You can just integrate the Dent eSIM. So your user can get mobile data direct from your app, your own app, without needing the Dent apps. That way we can scale the business as any developer can use it. So what we want to do is to enable any app developer, either Android or iOS or even web, to use our API portal, which is Dent API portal, to enable eSIM and mobile data in your own apps. That way, any travel app can integrate Dent eSIM. Just use the self-service portal, guys, and to enable the data, which is user-friendly. They will buy a bulk data from our upcoming Giga store as a B2B customer. Then distribute the data to their customer. That's it. So before moving on to that one, let me explain you what is all about eSIM. Okay, let's speak about the technical facts here. No, point number one, no physical SIM card is required anymore. You can just download an eSIM profile to your device. Point number two, installing the eSIM profile is free of charge for you and can be activated in a few minutes. Point number three, mobile data can be easily added to your data volume without a binding contract. Point number four, if you are abroad, you are no longer dependent on public Wi-Fi hotspots. Exactly right. So basically, if you travel or if you're traveling, you will be looking for Wi-Fi hotspot. Like in case of some emergency, you need to contact some point of contacts. Once you reach the airport, a lot of challenges we will be facing, right? So it is a good that if it is no longer a dependency, right? So point number five, you can simply delete your eSIM profile from your device if no longer want to use it. Of course, it is user friendly, right? You don't have any restrictions here. Thank you, Dan. And point number six, various smartphones and tablets are already eSIM capable. That's good, right? You can see your benefits here. Worried about roaming fees abroad? No nasty surprises. You were right, because everyone has faced this is one. Like we will be enabling a roaming packages or roaming fees when you're traveling abroad. Sometimes suddenly, even though we have enabled the packages, some roaming charges will be coming in our bill. So we need to call the customer care with the mobile operators, and we need to compromise them, and we explain them. Some they will try to give the waiver, some you need to pay, no other choice. So no nasty surprises on your phone bill anymore now. There are no contracts or long term commitments. Just pay to your data as you go. And no package price, one plan in 3 sizes for 80 countries with a validity of 365 days. Guys, 365 days. It's really a good. So those who are traveling will understand the difficulties and can see the advantages of Dent eSIM. And it is supported by all these masters. And what is eSIM? eSIM is a small chip that is already built in a supported device and works similarly to an NFC chip that enables contactless payments. The E in eSIM stands for embedded. To connect to the internet with your eSIM, you just need to activate it by installing an eSIM profile. Depending on your operating system, you're either install the profile directly into the Dent app or you scan a QR code to start the process. A simple process. Since your physical SIM card remains active as well, you can still receive calls and messages on your phone number. In this case, you guys don't want to change the SIM to the other phone. Okay, that's good. Moving on to this one. Why should you use a Dent eSIM? Always connected. Changing or removing SIM cards while traveling is now a thing in the past. Arrive at your destination and connect to the internet immediately. That's it. So there is no tension of changing the SIMs everywhere. Okay, finding the pin, changing the SIM. Oh my God, it is really because I faced this issue. That's what I want to highlight here. It's good actually. Absolutely flexible. Installing the Dent eSIM and purchasing mobile data with the Dent can be done independently from existing contracts with your local provider, no matter where you are. Amazing possibilities. Your Dent eSIM can also be used to share your mobile data with multiple devices without needing to buy additional data plans for each. Okay, good. Which devices supports eSIM? Apple smartphones, Google smartphones, Samsung smartphones, other smartphones, and tablets. Like these are the models which can be supports eSIM. You can go through dentwireless.com website to know more about it. Google smartphones of Google Pixel, Smart Galaxy, Samsung Galaxy, other smartphones, and tablets and notebooks. You can. This is the list supports eSIM. Okay, so frequently asked questions already inbuilt in this website. You can go through it. And I believe I have covered most of the point. What is the int which is happening in the market and how people are started investing and what is the new partnership and what is all the tweet about Elon Musk and Starlink updates and Dent tweets. Okay, I have covered everything. And also I have covered how the calculations work. Basically, like if you invest the minimum amount of how the calculation works. So now you guys have to decide, guys. You guys have to decide whether to invest, do your own market research. Okay. Keep following all the updates on Dentcoins. Okay. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Okay, so before I would like to end my video, I want to introduce my page, which is a Crypto Man. So Crypto Man, seriously, I have not planned anything. I am new to YouTube basically. Crypto Man is like a Superman, Spider-Man, Batman, just a crazy name. Just I picked it actually. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys, and have a great day. Cheers. Bye bye.